Within Google Display Network, targeting is crucial to make sure that your display ads are seen by the right audience. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. If you have ever been browsing websites such as Huffington Post, Wall Street Journal, CNN, and seen an ad in a banner across the top of the screen or in a small box to the side, you have seen a display ad. Google Display Network targeting helps you to define where or when your ad is shown according to certain factors, such as your audience's interest, age, or gender. This will enable your ad to be displayed on websites that are related to your business or to users who match the terms that you have set as they browse websites within the GDN. The advantage of this is that someone may or may not be actively looking for your products or services, but you are starting to introduce to a new audience that could be interested in your brand and hopefully encourage them to find out more by clicking through to your website. Interest targeting. There are 3 different ways that you can target the interest of your audience. Affinity audiences. This category contains 80 different groups such as gamers or sports fans. You can choose to show your ads to one or more of these groups. Custom affinity audiences. This is more defined than affinity audiences and allows you to create your own customized audience using keywords. For example, if you run a bicycle shop, you could choose cycling supplies rather than a generic sports fan category. Within this group, you can also add in specific website addresses that your audience might visit and may be interested in your product or service. In-market audiences. This category finds customers who are actively in the market for products or services like yours. They may have products that you sell in their shopping basket on a competitor's website or have been looking at similar products online, which triggers your ad to be shown to them. Demographic targeting. In addition to targeting by interest, you can also select certain demographics that you would like to show your ads. To get the best results, you should combine demographic and interest targeting to reach a more specific and relevant audience. It is also possible to exclude certain demographic groups from seeing your ads. For example, if the majority of your customers are in their 40s, you can set your campaign to exclude all age groups from seeing your ads except 30 to 50-year-olds. It is worth remembering that the more factors that you apply, the less people will see your ads. Spend some time testing different combinations to see what brings the most results for your business. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.